Hello, hello. Dr. A from Nashville, Tennessee. Follow my YouTube for a long time. And he said to me, he collect Oriental rug. He purchased this beautiful antique rug in auction. This rug is from the 1860s. And it's tells the story of the kingdom in Iran 160 years ago. This is how I received the rug. It smelled so bad from urine odor. Rug like this is like a Mona Lisa. Have to be on the wall, not on the floor. And if it's going to be on the floor, you have to be in a special place. The dog, the cat will never walk on it. For this reason, I almost never had a rug like this in my warehouse. It's very rare. If you look at the rug, you can see all the kingdom, the advisor, the smart people behind the king, the Jewish person, then he's opened the door and you can see the Star of David. You can see all the ladies of the prince, and all the guy then is behind him. Then he's looking at him with the evil eye. This is in 1860, and this is even today in 2021 in the United States, wherever you are in the world. So, this is the guy when I point on it. So, this is one-of-a-kind artwork. 3-dimension, 3-level rug. High quality, wool and special silk. I really love it, but I have to clean it and remove the urine odor and guarantee the color will never run and is no damage to the beautiful fiber. Let me show you how I clean such a beautiful art.
My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too. PetPeePee.
I had already before several beautiful rug that I cleaned in the past. Beautiful, over 100 years old. But nothing like this beauty. This is a very interesting rug that you see on the side. Or this one. But nothing like this artwork. This artwork supposed to be on the wall, and somebody didn't respect it and put it on the floor. Thank you for watching PetPeePee. Oriental rug drapery cleaning from dog and cat's urine odor with a guarantee 100% urine odor removal without any chance the color will run. Would you like your Oriental rug to be clean like this? Call today. Thank you for watching.